Dr. James Macharia ni gonerea abaga gausika kumwarga ni umuwaziri omujia Kipchumba Murkomen ase wizara yobwaga chibwechipara na boigo bosombi ase Murkomen atebire buna nachie koligia ubumanyikuru ase Macharia kweneke abuna obokoreri bubwenete bwabere bokorwewa ase sector yo.
Over from a friend. And once again, as I've said many times, I want to thank His Excellency the President for having faith in me to serve in his cabinet and for giving me the opportunity to serve in this docket. I believe that working together with the entire ministry, the ministry staff, the agencies under the ministry, and the people of Kenya, working with National Assembly and the Senate, and working together with my colleagues in the executive under the principle of collective responsibility, we shall assist each other to make sure that we deliver for the people of Kenya. I want to wish CS James Macharia the very best in his next contribution to this nation. As you can see, he's still a very young man.
Am I?
And so I believe that God will open another door for him to continue serving our country and serving humanity. I want to thank also Dr. Njoroge and Professor Maringa. Again, these are public servants who have served this country for many years. For Professor Maringa, both in the civil service and the academia, and for Njoroge for so many years in the public service. And so I believe that I will continue benefiting from their counsel, their wisdom. Government is a going concern. You inherit a going concern. CS Macharia inherited from others. We are sitting where many leaders sat in many years, since independence, to make very important decisions to take our country forward. It's my time now to make also my contribution.